how to add bank in Zoho Books. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add a bank into your Zoho Books over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side. You have banking options over here. So simply select our banking option over here. And then you're simply going to connect bank or your credit card over here. You can also add it manually if you prefer. But as you can see here, these are the available banks for you to choose from. As you can see, these are the automatic bank feeds supported. So if your bank is not found in this list, what you could select is our add manually option over here, which will basically just allow you to enter your account number, account code, currency, and the other necessary information. You could also select credit card option over here if you want to add your bank through a credit card. That's totally possible, as you can see. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.